Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Maytag Dishwasher F8E4 error code. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now in this case, there are a few things that you need to do here. So first is you want to unclog the filter. First, unplug the dishwasher and disconnect the water supply to be safe. Open the front door and remove the bottom panel to access the filter. Turn the filter counterclockwise to take it out. Then clean the filter using warm water, a bit of soap, and a soft brush. Make sure it's thoroughly clean. Put the filter back in place, reinstall the bottom panel, plug the dishwasher back in, and test it to see if there are any, or in this case, the error was resolved. Next is you want to remove the water from the drip pan. Unplug the dishwasher again for safety, remove the bolts securing the bottom panels, and take it out, or in this case, take out the drip pan. Now use a towel or sponge to dry the water from the drip pan. Put everything back together by reinstalling the float switch and drip pan, securing the bottom panel, and plugging the dishwasher in. Check if this fixes your issue. Next is you want to replace the inlet hose if it's actually damaged. First, again, unplug your dishwasher. Remove the kick plates to access the inlet hose. Check the hose for any cracks or leaks, and if you find any damage, replace the hose with a new one. Reattach the kick plates, plug the dishwasher back in, and test to ensure the error is gone. Now next, or finally here, is you want to inspect the float switch here. So it might be faulty. So first you want to unplug the dishwasher again for safety. Remove the bottom panel and drip pan to get to the float switch. Use a multimeter to test the float switch. If it's not working properly, you need to replace it. After replacing it, reassemble everything and plug the dishwasher to test it. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.